Hi, this is the daily Forex report for October 26th. We are looking at the US-Japanese yen pair. This pair moved higher, closed higher, overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 81.98, possibly as low as 80.12. Look for some resistance around 81.65 and look for some support around 80.66. Now let's take a look at the Euro-USD pair. This pair moved lower today, overall moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 140.64, possibly as low as 137.59. Look for some resistance around 139.82 and look for some support around 138.25. Okay, now the pound US dollar pair. This pair moved to the upside, moved higher overall, moving sideways. Look for this pair to potentially go as high as 159.77, possibly as low as 156.16. Look for some resistance around 158.95 and look for some support around 157.55. Now the US Swiss, this particular pair moved to the upside, is starting to move higher. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.9935, possibly as low as 0.9631. Look for some resistance around 0.9882 and look for some support around 0.9775. Now, as far as what I'm looking at during this next session, interestingly enough, I do want to show you this first. If you back out, we have our Fibonacci retracements as well as our Fibonacci fan. If you put that on there, we had this trade a couple of sessions ago, but it didn't hit during that session. However, if you look at today's, there we go, you can see that we had a break of that particular price and look for it to move up to here. So we haven't got there quite yet, but we have closed up, putting a stop loss right below the 23.6. So kind of interesting how that has happen. Now, let's take a look at the Euro-USD. This particular pair has created a swing trade setup over the past 3 sessions. We're looking for it to continue to the downside. If it does move lower, looking for it basically to take out these 30 pips or so, 35, 36 pips between this session's low, which is previous support, and our trend line break. Now, looking at the US-Japanese yen pair, we have a swing trade as well here, moving to the upside. Both of these are moving in the direction of the overall movement, at least over the last session, which is nice. And we're looking for it to take out the high here, which would be resistance. Quick little trade of about 12 pips. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Real quick, we do have the U.S. durable goods orders for September being released at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow. Consensus on that is that durable goods orders have gone up, which would be good news for the U.S. dollar, from a negative 1.5% to 2.0%. We also have the Reserve Bank of New Zealand releasing their rate decision at 4 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow. The consensus on that is that they're going to hold rates at 3.00%. Well, that about wraps us up. Until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.